So what up, guys? Welcome back to erbsclass, man, for 5 more minutes of math back in the classroom. Okay. So let's get right to it, man. Today's lesson is about systems of equations. Now, we've talked about graphing one equation at a time, but a system of equations is actually, two or more equations at once. Now, I know that sounds like it's crazy, but for now, we're just going to focus on 2 equations. Okay, so let's talk about what a solution to a system of equations looks like. So remember what a solution to one equation is? So if we have a line equation up here, something like that line equation, remember what our solutions look like for a line. So if I pick a value for x, let's say 1, and I take that value of 1 and plug it in here for x, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, exactly right. And now that ordered pair, those two numbers together provide me a solution to this line. Remember a solution is any point on that line. Exactly right. So now if I were to throw up another line up here, let's say for example that line, and let's say I plugged in an x value of 1 for this line also. What y value would I get out? It looks like I can get that same solution for these two different lines. So, brings us to our definition of what a solution is. No time. So a solution to a system of equations is that one solution that's true for both equations. Notice how that solution, that point pops up on both lines. Yes, it's that one point or that one solution that makes both equations true. Now, if we're talking about lines, if two lines are approaching the same point at one time, what do we call that when two lines cross at a point? Yes, it's called the intersection point. So the moral of this story is, if I graph these two lines, they would cross. And you know what point they would cross at? 1, 5. Yes, exactly right, the point where they intersect. So let's summarize all of that stuff I was talking about, just like this. Bang. Yes. So to summarize all of that talk about how to find the solution to a system of equations, if you're on a graph, the solution to a system of equations is the intersection point of those two lines. Now the lines might be in different forms, right? It might be in slope-intercept, the lines might be in standard, it might even be in point-slope. So however you know how to graph a line, find the intersection point between those two lines. And if you need help about graphing lines, we got videos about that. Check them out. Slope intercept, point slope, standard form. Now, there are also different ways to find the solution to a system of equations, but they're coming in the next videos. So make sure you check those out because graphing is just one way. Matter of fact, let me give you a preview of the other couple of ways. Bang. Okay. So these are the 3 ways to find a solution to a system of equations. Now, we already talked about graphing. Substitution and elimination are both different strategies where we take the 2 equations and kind of combine them into one equation with one variable that we can solve for. But them videos are coming up, man. I'll see you over there next time. Bye, guys.